You have upcoming party, then this video is for you. We are making Ghana crunchy chips, and trust me, you will love it. Okay, if today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy, detailed recipes. So please do not make it to the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. I have with me here my half size of onion. Okay, yes, half of that. It was medium size and I used half, and then 5 cloves of garlic. I have added 1.5 cups of water. Now I'm going to blend my ingredients and I'll be with you. The flour we are going to use in this recipe is 5 cups of flour. I have added half tablespoon of baking powder. I will then go ahead and add half teaspoon of salt, that is pink salt, not Maggi. Now mix it very well and then we can proceed. If today is the first time here, as I said earlier, you are welcome. Please share this video, like it, leave me your comments in the comment section, and subscribe or follow for more videos. They don't take money, okay? If you are a returning one, thank you so much for always spending some time with me, and I wish you all a blessed new year. Now I have added my butter, okay, that is 3 tablespoons. I'm just going to mix it very well and then we can continue with the process. Whilst we are mixing this, I am blending my ingredients and they will be ready very soon. Okay, thank you so much. Now we are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, so please follow us for more detailed videos there. If you want short videos that are very detailed, I recommend our YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and then TikTok. Trust me, you will love it there as well. Okay, now we have added the ingredients that we blended and then rinsed the blender. So if you want to add the water to it, just add it to it bit by bit so that you can get that perfect outcome. We just don't want it to get it too soft, okay, whilst we don't have any flour to add. So just go ahead and add it to it bit by bit for perfect outcome. Now we'll continue with the mixing, and if you watch me till this point and you haven't liked the video, please, what are you waiting for? Can you smash on the like button for me, and I will be very grateful. Please share the video to others so that our audience will expand, okay? And do not forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Our Twi YouTube channel is Recipe Goddess. Okay, we use the Twi language there. So if you prefer the Twi language, please follow us at Recipe Goddess on YouTube. Now, at this point, you may be tempted to add water to it because you may think it is hard, but trust me, there is some moisture, so do not make any attempt. Just keep on mixing it or keep on forming the dough. Okay, you will get that perfect. I don't know what happened to the video but see, this is what I did. After forming the dough, you put it on your working surface or your board, and then you use your chopping the rolling pin to roll it flat, just like how you are seeing on the screen. Okay, so just use it and roll it, okay, on the dough, and you will achieve that flat outcome you are seeing now. Then use your pizza cutter to cut it, or use your knife to do so. Okay, Yes, sometimes you may think you are recording. By the time you will finish, you will know that you did not record anything. Maybe I did not click on the record button well. Okay, so I am sorry. Now, after everything, just divide it into 3 or 2 and you are good to go. It is so simple. Sprinkle some flour on it and then separate them. Isn't it easy? It is. Now I am just going to remove everything, put it in my tray so that it will be very easy for me to start frying. As we are here right now, I have my oil on fire. The fire is not very high, it is on medium heat. Okay, and I'm just going to drop one and see if it is hot, and now you can see bubbles around it, so it is okay for us to fry. I will just start frying the chips and I can't wait to show you the outcome. It was absolutely good. I allowed the chips to rest whilst I was preparing achumo that day. Okay, I had a lot to prepare, so in case you are doing something and you finish cutting them, this is what you would do. If you want it to rest and then you do other things, just make sure you cover it, okay, so that it will not dry. Yeah, now just look at that, so perfect. And those that you can see, they have come together. Trust me, if you drop it in the oil, they will separate, and after some few minutes, this is how it looks, so perfect and very beautiful already. We just want to get that brown color and we are good to go. At this moment it is ready, but I just want to get that golden brown color before I remove it from the oil. So at this moment, make sure you have your paper towel around, make sure you have your colander and you have some paper towel in it so that you can bring some of the oil out, or the oil can drain, and then you know that is the perfect way. Okay, yes, so I'm going to remove it from the oil. It is ready. Just get yourself some soda or drink and then enjoy this. Share this to your guests that will come to your party, and trust me, they will fall in love with it. Let me know if you are going to try the recipe in the comment section, and thank you so much for spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. Happy New Year to you once again, and I am so grateful that you always come here to watch me. Thank you so much. Just look at that. Perfect. So I'm going to fry the rest behind camera, and when I am done, I'll show you the outcome. It was absolutely beautiful and crunchy. Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the outcome, and just look at that. So nice. Thank you. Until I come your way next time, do not forget to eat healthy, take good care of yourself, and love yourself first. See you in the next one. Bye bye.